Hi, and welcome to this Bubble.io tutorial series. My name is Elliot, and today we're going to get started with an introduction to the Bubble.io interface. If you're new to Bubble, don't worry, I'll walk you through the platform step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the Bubble workspace, and you'll know where to find the tools you'll use to build your first app. When you first log into Bubble, you'll be taken to the dashboard. From here, you can access all your apps, create new ones, and manage your account. You'll also see the option to explore templates or Bubble's built-in lessons. Let's start by creating a new app. Click on New App in the top right corner. Give your app a name. You can always change this later. Once that's done, you'll be taken to the Bubble editor, which is where the magic happens. Now we're in the editor. Let me show you the key sections. At the top, we have the main navigation bar, which includes tabs like Design, Workflow, Data, and Plugins. These are where you'll spend most of your time. The Design tab is where you'll build your app's user interface. This is where you can drag and drop elements like buttons, input fields, and text. We'll dive deeper into design in a later video. The Workflow tab is where you define how your app works. You'll set up what happens when users click buttons, submit forms, or navigate between pages. Every action your app takes starts here. In the Data tab, you can manage your app's database. This is where you'll create data types and fields which store information for your app. For example, if you're building a task manager app, this is where you'd create the structure for tasks. The Plugins tab is where you can extend your app's functionality by installing third-party plugins. Bubble offers a wide range of plugins that can help with everything from payment processing to map integration. In the Settings tab, you can control things like your app's SEO settings, domain setup, and privacy rules. You won't need to dive into this right away, but it's good to know where to find it. And that's a quick overview of the Bubble interface. In the next video, we'll jump into designing your first app and adding some basic elements. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.